Foss is the Icelandic word for waterfall, and here I've made a box set of 4 of the legendary waterfalls. Each one has a story behind it. I chose to use the accordion style for these books so that they could be tumbled out of the viewer's hand, much in the same way that a waterfall would cascade down. Each story is listed at the top of the book, the text panel, and at the bottom you find out more about the location and anything that's particularly outstanding geographically and geologically about the waterfall. The set is enclosed in this box that has a handmade paper cover made to look like the moss that's found in Iceland.